guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys so much for 200 subscribers. I think I'm currently at 275. Thank you very much. Okay, so these are the colors I'm using. I'm not going to be using blooming gel. I would use top coat, but the top coat is going to let it spread too much, and also I am going to cap it with clear polygel, and Polygel doesn't like a smooth surface, so I'm going to use a wet base coat and apply the snake print on top. This is the brush that I'm going to use. The less base coat, the more time you have to work with it before it blooms. Okay guys, so I am finished and I'm going to encapsulate these in clear. I'm going to outline my nails just like I did this one. I already top coated under the bottom of the nail, so this is how they turned out. I really love them. The only thing I don't really like about them is the fact that it's wider at the tip. That's because I'm not used to C curve. Yeah, I tried shaping it as best as possible, but when you apply the polygel, it's going to look different. So yeah.
Bye, have a great time.